Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get HBO Max. Now, it really depends on what device you have, but you can get it for Amazon Fire TV, Android, Apple, LG, PlayStation, Samsung, Vodafone, and Xbox. If you are on your computer, you just need to go to max.com using the latest version of Chrome or Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Safari. You sign in or subscribe and start watching. If you're on a phone or tablet, if you have Amazon Fire tablet, just install it via the apps. Of course, find Max and then select download. If you are on your Android phone, the principles are the same. Go to Play Store, search for Max and then download it. And if you're on iPhone, go to App Store, search for Max and then download it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.